Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's been a bit, so I figured I'd give you guys an update on what's been going on, and I got a couple of mail calls that are way overdue. So basically, since my last Fire It Up Friday, which, gosh, I can't even remember when it was, we had a fire ban. So I said, all right, we're not going to get in trouble. Somebody come by, all of a sudden I'm making a fire. So we didn't do any Fire It Up Fridays. And pretty quick after that, we ran into one of the hottest months of May that we've had down here, just like since the 1850s or some crap like that. I mean, it was brutal. I know a lot of you are experiencing it up north, like New York and Virginia, and it's very hot. That kind of have subsided. We just started getting deluges of rain. So every time I'm like, oh, it's not too hot out. Let me go do a quick video. The rain started pouring down, which we needed really bad. So the fire ban was lifted. The normal Florida heat waves are back. Yeah, and then towards the end of that, the whole house got the Wunan flu again. So that's kind of waning away, and no more fire ban. Rain is back to normal, and here we are. So, one other thing I wanted to mention. We're getting very close to 4,000 subscribers. And I hope you all didn't forget about the epic giveaway, which I will do another updated video on that when we get closer. But we're like, I want to say less than 200 away. So that's going to be awesome. So this first one here is from our brother Rob over at Corn Fed Experience. Now, I did a video on the Fatwood Board of Fame, and I didn't have a piece from Iowa. And of course, Rob said, I'm going to get you some. So let me get this cut open. All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Look at this, folks. Oh, yeah. Listen to this. You hear that? And I'll tell you, for those of you who wonder where you can get Fatwood or what it looks like, well, this is what it looks like. You see that? That's the fat in it, basically, okay? It's the resins that usually go into where the tree is injured, but not always. But another way you could tell is if you just feel it, a regular piece of pine or spruce or whatever is going to be relatively light. But if it's fat, basically has fatwood in it, you're going to feel a weight difference. So brother Rob, I appreciate it so much. I am going to process a piece of this. Let's see, maybe this one or this one, and I am going to cut it, put it on the Fatwood Board of Fame, and do another update on that, because we have two new pieces since the video I did last, and hopefully we can get the rest of the states. So, brother, thanks again. I appreciate it. And there's going to be links in the description to Corn Fed Experience and to this bad boy over here, which is from James over at Harshman Hills. I'm very stoked to have gotten this. So, yeah, definitely go check out the channels. We got some good stuff. All right. Now, I took the tape off of one end so I can get this out. Hopefully, without too much trouble. Y'all ready for this? Look at this bad boy. This is 1 inch by 10 inch, although it looks bigger than 10 inches to me. But yeah, it is a monster ferro rod. And James is selling these. I believe he's got them on Etsy and eBay. I'll try to remember to put the links in the description, but I had made some handles for them. I turned on my lathe, and we kind of did a little bartering, and this was what I got in return. And yeah, wow. The thing, I don't know how much it weighs, but it wouldn't feel good if you got bonked on the head with this. So what I'm going to do is, I got a handle I turned, and I made a striker. I'm going to get this epoxied in, and then, like I said, I'm going to process down this fat wood to get it on my fat wood board of fame, and then all the piece. Oh, this is a nice piece. Look at the crystallization in here. Very, very nice. Probably going to use this one because it's almost the exact size I need. So hopefully we can get a Fire It Up Friday in with this stuff, and then I'll do another update on the Fatwood Board of Fame. And again, Rob and James, send you both much, much love, my brothers. I really, really appreciate it. And you know I'm going to say it. I appreciate you all coming, watching the video, my brothers and sisters. Much, much love and appreciation to you all. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.